Good day everyone. I am calling you Sarocam and I'm here to talk about odd, even, and neither function. So, even function is is f of negative x is equal to f of x. Odd function is f of negative x is equal to negative f of x. Neither function is f of negative x is not equal to negative f of x or f of x. Even function, f of x is equal to x to the power of 6 plus 6x to the power of 4. So we know that 6 and 4 is an even number. So if we let the x is equal to negative x, so negative x times 6 plus 6, negative x times 4. So we multiply the negative x 6 times, so it is equal to positive x to the power of 6 plus 6 positive x to the power of 4. So we know that this equation is an even function. So example number 2, odd function. F of x is equal to x to the power of 7 plus 4x to the power of 5. We know that 7 and 5 is an odd number. So let x is equal to negative x. So if the x is negative, so it is negative x to the power of 7 minus 4x to the power of 5. So if we multiply it by negative 1, it is x to the power of 7 plus 4x to the power of 5. It is the same in the first line. So f of negative x is equal to negative f of x, or f of negative x is equal to negative f of x. So this example is an odd function. Example 3, neither function. So f of x is equal to x to the power of 5 minus 3x to the power of 4 plus 4. So it is negative x. So negative x to the power of 5. So we multiply the negative x by 5. So the answer is negative x to the power of 5 minus 3. So we know the 4 is an even. So it is positive x to the power of 4 plus 4. So this is an f of negative x is not equal to f of x. It is not equal in the first line, which is x to the fifth power minus 3 x to the fourth plus 4. So if we multiply it by negative 1, so it is x to the fifth power plus 3 x fourth minus 4. So this is not also an equal to the first line. So this function is a neither function because it is neither even or neither odd. Identifying odd, even, and neither function by graphs. So even function. So in this graph, f of x is equal to x to the fourth power. So the line of symmetry is the y-axis. Left side is the same in the right side, and also it is symmetrical in the origin. It is like a mirror of the left side and the right side. So by seeing this graph, we can now say that is an even function. So odd function. So in this graph, f of x is equal to x to the fifth power. So we know that 5 is an odd number, so this graph is an odd function. The origin is, the symmetrical is in the origin. So we know that in quadrant 1, it is like a mirror of the quadrant 3. So we can say that this graph is an odd function. So neither function f of x is equal to x to the fifth power plus 2 x to the fourth power plus 3. So this graph, we can say that this graph is an neither function because it has no origin or symmetrical in the y-axis. This is not an odd, neither this is not an even function. You can say by looking at the graph that it is an neither function. So that would be all, and thank you.